Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I want to show you just some things on loans. So I want to show you customers that took a loan within a specific period and those ones that didn't take the loan. So what this helps business teams to do is to know the opportunities that are still available for sales. So it helps the business team, it helps the sales team. You can send it to your sales people so they can engage such customers to just come and take a loan. And I also show you by product. So people, yeah, by products that the product that sales are happening and the product that sales are not happening. So on a monthly basis. So let's quickly get to it. The first thing is that I will show you on the loan side those customers that haven't taken a loan. So within a period. So before I start, let me put a slicer here. So I want to consider customers who didn't take a loan in 2019. So I'll come to my calendar, then I'll put my year. So let me put my year on that. So I'll make this, okay. So it's coming, so I'll make this 2019. So 2019, I just want to know the people that have not taken a loan in 2019. So how do I do that? New measure. Okay. So I call this no loan sale 2019. Okay. Call this, I introduce a variable var loan sale. So this will be the distinct count of customers that have taken loan. So instead of me even putting a filter for 2019, I can just use a calculate to do that. Yeah. So I can do calculate distinct count on my loans table, customer ID. So loans customer ID. So what is the filter? So dim calendar year. Dim calendar year, that should be year, equal to 2019. So I can't remember if I put it in text or in numbers, but that will show when we write the formula. So if it's not correct, it throws up an error and we'll just go there to correct it. So this is it. So I write another variable that gives me my total customers. Now, I'm not going to limit my total customers to 2019, customers in 2019, but all my customers, because I want to look at all my customers, those ones that didn't take loan in 2019. So I call this var total base. So that is total customer base. So that will be, that will be equal to distinct count. Distinct count, my customer table, and my customer ID. Customer ID. So that is my total base. So I'm considering the total customers. Which of them did not take loan in 2019? That's what I want to see. Yes. So my result. So I can say var result or var outcome, anyone. So let me use outcome instead. var outcome. So equal to total base minus loan sale. So this loan sale is loan sale for 2019. So I'll do my return. Return result or outcome. So I use outcome here. Outcome. So I enter. So this gives me, for my total customers, the proportion that did not take loan in 2019. Connect the proportion that did not take a loan in 2019. That is what this is giving me. Oh, but what if these customers have taken a loan before, and so maybe the loan is still running, they won't be able to take a loan in 2019. It doesn't make sense to be getting through to those kind of customers again. So what will I do to remove those such customers? So let's display this number first. Okay. Let me bring a card. Okay. Okay, no loan sale 2019. So I'm saying 50,000 people. 50,000 people. So this doesn't mean that some of the customer do not have loans before. 50,000 people. So let me streamline this now. Now I want to streamline this to people that do not have a loan. So to do that, let me quickly go to my loans table. So let me get the understanding of that loan table better. So this is the loan table. So if you have a loan, you appear here, and your loan can either be active or inactive. So I want to know those that their loan are now inactive and they are not part of the people that. So I want to just minus these people from the context that I'm considering. So they still have loans that are still running. So I want to take these people out. So how will I take them out? I come here. Where is that my measure? Come here and do another variable. Do another variable. I call this running loans. Loans. So I'm not supposed to put space, running loans. That will be equal to calculate distinct count of my loan. That's this measure. Instead of writing again, I just copy from here. So distinct count of my loan table, comma, what is the name of that column? So let me just go back and check. Oh, wow. So the name of the column is loan active. So if your loan is active, it will be Y. If it's not active, it will be N. Yeah? Active loan, yes, no. So let me see, distinct count. Okay. Not for my customer table this time. Okay, no, it's from loans table. That is loans table. From loans table, I take my loans. Loan active is equal to N. That is no. You don't have an active loan. So if you have an active loan, you will not be considered as part of these people that will be eligible for loan. So we'll do minus running loans. So that is the outcome we are looking for. Our total base minus the loan sale, then minus those that have running loans. That will give us those that do not have loans at all. Okay, let me remove this. So this is not supposed to be here. Yeah. So this should work. Yeah. Okay. So that's reduced the number from 50,000 to 48,000. So we can decide to view this on a table just to see the breakdown by either segment or region or by salespeople. So let's see the breakdown by salespeople. Let's go to our customer table. Yeah. So this is supervisor. It's the breakdown by supervisor. And this is, okay, you can also see the breakdown by salesperson. So by salesperson, customers that do not have loans. So with this, you can engage your salespeople that this number of customers that you have, this number of your customers do not have loans. Engage them to come and we've not sold loans to them in 2019 and they have never taken a loan. So engage them and sell to them. So that will be all in this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll be showing you for customers that have not taken a loan, that products that have not been sold over time. So we'll see that in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.